Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to put a file on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To upload and display files on a Wix website, you can use a variety of methods depending on the type of file and how you'd like it to be accessed by visitors. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the left panel of your dashboard and click on Site. Now, essentially, Wix allows you to upload different types of files such as PDFs, Word documents, images, and more. All you have to do is hover to the left side panel of your dashboard, and that says Add Elements. Okay? Now, the first is, for example, you wanted to create a button. And the button that says is going to be download. Alright? I'm going to put it somewhere here. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you can see it, guys. Alright? Now, on the settings, you have the option to choose a link if you want. Alright? Or is it going to be a document? In the docs, you can choose a file. Alright? Like, for example, a QR code. And simply add it to your download button on the Wix editor. We have a separate video on how to add QR code to Wix that you might want to check out. Another option is going to be simply, let me exit that for now. Going to add an element here, and that's going to be an image. In the image, you have multiple options. You have the upload and import, upload images, import images, get photos from your social and Google accounts. I'm going to click on the first option, and these are going to be your multiple options in uploading or putting a file. You can use Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, and a lot more. But in my case, I'm going to use my computer for now. I'm going to upload something from my directory. Now, I'm working on a specific file here in Canva, so I'm going to be downloading multiple files and upload it to Wix so you have multiple options on how to do it. I'm going to click on the uploads. For example, this. I'm going to drag this to make it a lot bigger. All right. So one way is going to be clicking on the share button. I have the option to download like PNG, PDF standard, PDF print, and a lot more. I'm going for the PDF for now. Now, after PDF, I'm going to click on the option here that says you see there's going to be a see all, right? I'm going to use Google Drive, for example. I'm going to click on save, and what will happen is I would be forwarded to my Google Drive account. As you can see, you have an option to view it in Google Drive, which I would. Now, all I have to do is hover to the share button and copy the link. All right. I'm switching over again to the Canva because I'm going to click on the share button again and click on the see all options. I'm going to use the Dropbox. Connect Dropbox. Click on allow. And what will happen is it's connecting. Just wait for it a little bit. Now, switching over to the Wix editor, I'm going to upload a certain file. Okay, here, that's going to be this. Click on add to page. Now, as you have added your file here, you can, of course, be creative and hover it to where you want it to be. Again, click on the add elements because this time we're going to put in. Another option is if you don't want the elements, just hover to the left side again and click on media. Right? You can choose your media by using Google Drive. And from here, just click on connect Google Drive. And just click on continue. What will happen is you would be forwarded to the Google Drive, wherein all I have to do is put all these information. For example, this one. You see that's one of the ways for you to be able to upload photos or attach documents here on Wix. Okay, it's connecting. Another option is gonna be using your Dropbox. Remember, we have access to the Dropbox. Hold on, let me just switch over to my Dropbox. Now this is my account here in Dropbox. So basically, I wanted this one to be uploaded directly on Wix. Now all I have to do is switch to the Wix editor, click on Dropbox, and allow it to connect. Click allow. And there you go. You would be successfully upload media using all these options. All right. Now, one more thing. You see, in the add elements, there's going to be an option that says buttons. If you wanted to use, say for example, an image buttons right here, you can use all of these: doc, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF. For example, it's going to be PDF. You can use the site files again to upload a PDF. For example, this one. See, that's going to be the PDF. So there's a lot that you can work with in terms of uploading or putting up a file here on Wix. You see, the PDF are very essential if your business requires forms to be filled out. For example, registration, service, applications, you can upload them for easy access. Now, we have a separate video on how to create events here on Wix that you might want to check, because PDF is one of the essentials when putting up registration forms. All right. And by providing valuable download content, you can increase user engagement and, of course, improve your site's SEO ranking, because search engines recognize the relevance of downloadable files, which can lead to higher visibility. And by doing so, you can always enhance client and customer experience, uploading files that can help improve service and engagement, such as when you hover down here on the pages and menu. For example, you have like an FAQs, like this one, portfolio, blog, or about us, or a price list, order forms, or service agreements to simplify client onboarding by clicking on the button and downloading the files. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.